What are the main things to do in Galway City? If you are curious about what to do in Galway City, you are in for a treat. This vibrant city on Ireland's western coast is packed with activities that cater to all interests. Let's jump right into the main attractions you should not miss. First up is the Latin Quarter, the cultural heart of Galway. This lively area is filled with colorful streets and a pedestrian-friendly layout. You can enjoy live traditional Irish music while browsing unique shops and boutiques. Don't forget to stop by the historic Spanish Arch, which is part of the medieval city walls. Next, make your way to the Galway City Museum. Located near the Spanish Arch, this museum offers fascinating exhibits that cover Galway's history from prehistoric times to the present day. The museum overlooks the River Corrib, making it a lovely spot to visit. For a breath of fresh air, stroll along the Salthill Promenade. This scenic 2-kilometer walkway runs along the Atlantic Ocean and is perfect for a leisurely walk. You can enjoy stunning coastal views and even take a dip in the sea. Tradition says you should kick the wall at the end of the promenade for good luck. Eyre Square is another must-see. This central green space is ideal for relaxation and people watching. The square features sculptures, flower beds, and memorials, including one dedicated to John F. Kennedy's visit to Galway in 1963. Don't miss the Galway Cathedral, a striking modern building that combines historical and contemporary architectural styles. It features beautiful stained glass windows and is one of the city's most impressive landmarks. If you want to see more of the city, consider taking a walking tour or a hop-on-hop-off bus tour. Both options allow you to explore at your own pace while visiting historic sites and vibrant neighborhoods. Galway is also known for its lively traditional music scene. Many pubs, such as Toff's and the Crane Bar, host nightly music sessions where you can soak up authentic Irish culture. For a taste of local life, visit the Galway Market, especially on weekends. This bustling market features stalls selling local produce, crafts, and delicious international foods. It's a great place to grab picnic supplies. If you have time for day trips, Galway serves as a gateway to stunning attractions like the Aran Islands, the Cliffs of Moher, and Connemara National Park. Many tours depart from the city, making it easy to explore beyond. Families will find plenty to do as well. Attractions like Wildlands, the Atlantiquaria National Aquarium, and various parks offer fun experiences for children of all ages. Cycling is a popular way to discover Galway and its beautiful surroundings. You can rent bikes locally and ride along the River Corrib or the Salthill Promenade for breathtaking views. Lastly, history buffs will enjoy visiting sites like Menlo Castle, a picturesque ruin, and Katie's Cottage Museum, which showcases local heritage. Galway City is a welcoming destination filled with cultural experiences, historical exploration, and natural beauty. Whether you are wandering its medieval streets, enjoying traditional music, or taking scenic walks, there is something for everyone in this charming city.